everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your OldNavy account. If you're looking for a way to close, cancel, or delete your OldNavy account, then you've landed in the right place. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The first thing to do in order to delete your account is to open up your email account that is registered with the application. If you don't remember your email address that is registered with OldNavy, then go to the web browser at the top and type in oldnavy.gap.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of OldNavy, make sure that you're logged into your account, and from the main home page, click on this little drop down right under your name. Click on My Account option in the pop-up, and from the left hand side of the menu, click on Personal Info. You'll be able to see your email address popping up on this page. Simply go ahead and open up a new tab and open up the same email inbox that you registered with Navy account. And soon after you open up your email inbox, click on the Compose button with the pencil icon in it at the top left. Inside the to text box, type in oldnavy_press@gap.com. Soon after you do that, in the subject text box, type in request to delete my OldNavy account. After you do that, write an email regarding deleting your account. Once you've finished typing in the message about deleting your account, click the send button in blue. Once you make a request to OldNavy to delete your online account, simply wait for the reply from their side. That is how you can easily request to delete or close your OldNavy account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.